Welcome back to Decorio Studio, your favorite destination for home decor and interior design inspiration. Today, we are diving into the vibrant season of renewal with 16 creative centerpiece ideas for your Easter dining table. We have curated a variety of styles ranging from rustic charm to modern elegance to help you host a memorable holiday feast. If you find these ideas inspiring, please remember to comment, like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more design tips. Transform your table into a cozy woodland retreat by using a large grapevine nest as your focal point. Fill the center with moss, speckled ceramic eggs, and delicate sprigs of baby's breath for a natural touch. This organic look brings the literal feeling of spring's birth directly to your dining experience. Surround the base with tea light candles to create a warm and inviting glow for your guests. Soft pastel hues define this elegant arrangement featuring lush pink and white peonies in a vintage pitcher. Intersperse the floral display with hand-painted eggs in mint green and sky blue tones. The fragrant blooms provide a sensory delight, while the colors evoke a classic Easter aesthetic. This timeless setup is perfect for a formal brunch or a sophisticated family dinner. For a playful and whimsical vibe, use clear glass vases filled with real carrots including their green leafy tops. Place a tight bouquet of orange tulips inside the vase to mimic the vibrant color of the vegetables. This farm-to-table approach is both humorous and visually striking for a casual gathering. It adds a pop of bright color that instantly cheers up any dining room setting. Go eco-friendly and modern by repurposing clean, hollowed-out eggshells as tiny planters for mini succulents. Arrange these delicate shells in a ceramic egg carton or nestled within a bed of green wheatgrass. The contrast between the fragile shells and the hardy succulents creates a unique sculptural interest. This low-profile centerpiece allows for easy conversation across the table throughout the meal. Elevate your holiday decor by spray painting plastic eggs and dried branches in a rich metallic gold finish. Display these shimmering elements in a sleek black bowl for a high-contrast, modern look that screams luxury. The gold reflects the ambient light, adding a touch of sophisticated sparkle to your evening festivities. This chic approach proves that Easter decor can be both festive and incredibly glamorous. Create a serene and artistic centerpiece by filling a wide, shallow glass bowl with water and floating flower heads. Mix in small, lightweight decorative eggs that bob gently between the colorful petals of daisies and pansies. This liquid display offers a refreshing and calm aesthetic that is perfect for a sunny afternoon lunch. It is a simple yet high-impact way to showcase the beauty of seasonal spring flora. Utilize a weathered wooden crate as the base for a rustic farmhouse-style Easter centerpiece. Layer the crate with burlap, dried straw, and a collection of mismatched antique jars filled with wildflowers. Add a few wooden carved bunnies to complete the country-inspired scene on your tabletop. This hardy and grounded design brings a sense of comfort and nostalgia to your holiday home. Brighten your dining area by layering sliced lemons and limes inside a double-walled glass vase. Fill the inner chamber with yellow daffodils and white lilies for a burst of sunshine and zesty energy. The citrus scent adds an extra layer of freshness that complements the crispness of a spring day. It is an affordable and vibrant way to make your table feel energized and alive. Design a miniature fairy garden inside a large glass cloche featuring mossy mounds and tiny porcelain rabbits. Weave a string of battery-operated fairy lights through the greenery to create a magical, glowing effect. This whimsical centerpiece acts as a conversation starter and a delight for children and adults alike. It captures the wonder of springtime stories and the magic hidden within nature. Achieve a minimalist and clean look by using only white elements like tulips, porcelain eggs, and ceramic birds. Arrange these items on a white marble tray to play with different textures within a single color palette. This sophisticated monochromatic theme feels airy, bright, and exceptionally modern for a contemporary home. It emphasizes form and silhouette over color, creating a peaceful and unified dining environment. Arrange a cluster of assorted vintage teacups across the center of the table, each holding a single bloom or a small nest. This mismatched, shabby chic approach adds personality and a sense of history to your Easter celebration. Use different patterns and colors to create a whimsical trail of floral tea party vibes down the table. It is an excellent way to use family heirlooms in a fresh and creative decorative way. Place a few decorative wooden birdhouses of varying heights along a table runner made of faux moss. Surround the houses with small feathered birds and colorful jelly beans for a sweet and playful touch. This height-varying display adds vertical interest and a sense of architectural playfulness to the dining room. It celebrates the return of birdsong and the lively spirit of the spring season. Combine the soft fragrance of dried lavender bunches with the delicate texture of a white lace table runner. Place the lavender in simple mason jars tied with purple ribbons to keep the look sweet and unassuming. This French provincial-inspired centerpiece is calming and brings a touch of the countryside to your feast. It is a beautiful choice for those who prefer subtle scents and soft, romantic visuals. Create a personalized centerpiece by using large moss-covered letters that spell out spring or your family's last name. Intersperse the letters with small terracotta pots holding bright primroses or pansies for a garden-fresh feel. This bold typographic element makes the table feel curated and specifically designed for the occasion. It provides a structured yet organic look that bridges the gap between modern and traditional. Line the center of your table with a row of varied pillar candles sitting atop beds of lush green moss. Tucked between the candles, place small glass vials holding single stems of colorful ranunculus or sweet peas. As the sun sets, the flickering flames will cast beautiful shadows through the petals and greenery. This setup provides a romantic and intimate atmosphere for an evening Easter dinner party. Make a statement with tall boxwood topiaries adorned with tiny ribbons and miniature hanging egg ornaments. Surround the base with a lush ring of hydrangeas to ground the height and add a soft floral texture. This grand arrangement serves as a spectacular focal point that defines the entire room's holiday spirit. We hope you enjoyed these 16 ideas. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more inspiration.